Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sadeusi, Tantolorun, Baba Oloyin kan. Baba Oloyin original. I'm saying at Iyesota, Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesota. Some people are just watching me for the first time, and some people have known me before. You know, I normally talk about honey, the healing power of honey, the healing powers of honey. How you can use honey to cure sickness in the body, how you can use honey for spiritual purposes. I'm the one that normally talk about it. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of African Power. Africa is my fatherland. Africa is my fatherland. Nigeria is my country. Oh, yes. In this book, you will know the secret of this one. This root I'm holding, this root, you can use it for diabetes, to reduce your sugar level. You can use this root to cure your rheumatism. You can use it to cure arthritis. When you are not in good mood, you don't have immune system. As a man, your wife will always fight you. She will be thinking that you have gone elsewhere, whereas your body is not functioning very well. So this can help you to boost your immune system. Many people that has bought this book, they can bear witness that the thing is working for them. I decide not to be publishing the secret or the name of this book because I want you people to patronize this book. You know, I've been teaching many things free. And this time around, you too supposed to show appreciation by buying my products. Yes, as you see it, you can put it in hot drink. If you are the type that you don't take hot, you can put it in water, 5 liters keg of water. Soak it. The second day, you begin to drink it. If you are using it for diabetes, after 1 week, go and check your sugar level. It will be reduced. You have to check it because so as not to reduce too low. You know low sugar, so it's bad. If you have high sugar, even it's easy to treat, to come down when you have a low sugar. Yes, this is the root for you. And it's one of the things that are selling with these books, and African Power. I told you about orange peas. Igbo lọ́sàn wà, kọ́mọ aráyé tó lánàá lọ bá. Orange trees normally stay inside bush. It is human beings that labor themselves to find it. Your luck will shine, people will find you. It's in this book. Tẹ́ ẹ bá musa, tẹ́ ẹ mọ́ dé èpo ẹnu mọ́. That external skin, èpo ẹ̀yìn orange peas, don't throw it away again. You dry it. What we miss with it is inside this book. When you prepare it, you put it in your house. Anytime you want to use it, you put it in a plastic plate. Ike funfun, white plastic plate. Add on inside it. Put on inside the plastic. Add this preparation, small one, lick it every day. The rest, keep it in the house. 10 people can use it at a time. You have children in overseas country. Please try to send the powder to them. Or if you prepare the preparation with honey, then with other materials, you can send to your people in overseas country. They will thank you. I talk about excess. You have been looking for some things. It's very hard to get for you. When you buy this book, you know how to use excess. The local fowl excess that has produced chickens, that empty cells. When you use it, how to use it is in this book, African Power. African Power. Yes, I told you about this book. This is the book, Chalelo Onabayo. This one has been released for long. I just removed the nylon so as to be able to let you see very well. This is solution to women problems. You have a sickle cell children, you can use it for them. We have healing power of honey for those who have staphylococcus. It's here. This is honey as a medicine. If you have hatred in your body, anywhere you go, you are always unlucky. People don't like you. What you can do is in honey as a medicine. Don't forget, the program you are watching is Baba Oloyin Original Television. This is another seed, Obiedun. This is monkey kola nut. I will tell you more later when I do another program. You will get many things. See, Obiedun, monkey kola nut. You just look at it. What is how you can use it to cure your sickness? I will mention it in my next program. This is a Ekuro pankane. This pankane, many people has passed over it. They have tried copies. Yes, enu la tell us if you put Ekuro and they want to send you on transfer. People have the way they can use this thing. You will hear it later. It's not in the book. Because when I talk about Ewe origin, some people are asking me, they bought the book, they didn't say Ewe origin. You cannot see that type inside the book. I kept some secrets so that I remember Boloyin. If I publish everything, some people will still come on here, do yanga to publish it again. But the thing I'm keeping this inside my house. Some people, when they come for that secret, I charge them. When they can pay, I give them the secret. Ewe Reni Komi, a leaf that when you pick it, he will be laughing at you. I mentioned it in my program, it's not in the book. Yes. Ewe Kambe won pele ewe kile fi mi ṣe, a leaf that you can do me but nothing. What you can have to eat, you will get that leaf. You will get one leaf, ewe anu, mercy leaf, ewe anu. When you use this leaf with small ingredients, anywhere you go, people will show mercy to you, whether they know you or they don't know you. If you watch my last program, I told you how you can use this imesin, or seat and all seat. You know, when you go to palace or go to traditional chief, you will see an horse or two. You can see two horses there. They used to assign a whole human being to feed the horse. And when anytime the horse shit, somebody is there, that the same man will come and carry the shit so that the flies will not be able to disturb the horse. Ako gbẹ̀sìn, yóò yà gbẹ̀sìn, bọ́bá tọ̀ yóò mọ bí ó ṣe take care. Then when they want to feed, the person must know that the horse is feeding very well. And when he gets sick, I mean the horse, they have to tell the owner, this horse refused to eat yesterday. Maybe we've called the veterinary doctor to come and take care. The care they are the way they are taking care of a horse, sometimes they don't take care of human beings like that. Orí ẹ̀sìn ló dà bẹ́ẹ̀. I told you, kókó tẹ́sìn bá jẹ kù wọ́n ń lò ó, àtọ́bá ń wọ́ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀. Anytime the horse is eating like this, if they remove that grass from his mouth, our people can use it. Even the remnants of the grass that horse has finished it, when the horse has finished eating, the remnants of the grass, they can use it. Yes, Yoruba get power. Africa get power. In my place, we get arrow and pepper. When they put arrow to a person, na wahala. Yes, they can make person to sleep and not to wake up the second day. The person you saw yesterday, today, they can announce his obituary. You will get that power. But when they are playing with you, know that they are playing with you. They get juju. When somebody is there, they begin to cry. Second day, a fẹ́ ọ ṣùgbọ́n Jésù fẹ́ ọ sùn. A fẹ́ ọ ṣùgbọ́n Jésù fẹ́ ọ jù. Sunre, sunre. Ṣé kò sunre tẹ́lẹ̀ ni? Ṣé kò mọ bí wọ́n ṣe ń sùn ni? When you are doing business together, they know how you can wicked you, but they are very accommodative. They don't like to fight. And because of religion, some people get power. They will not display their power. Wọ́n ní àfìfìlà pa erin, ọjọ́ kan ló máa ń níyì. A person that kill elephant with cap, people will clap for the person. The second day, they will run away from you. Àfìfìlà pa erin, ọjọ́ kan ló máa ń gba yìí mọ́. A person that kill elephant with cap, he will clap for him, praise him. The second day or third day, you will see everybody will dodging you. They will be dodging you. You ask them, don't kill me. You that can get power to kill an elephant. Who am I that you cannot kill? See. Some people, they get armed robbers protecting their house. They will not tell their neighbor because of religion. So when armed robbers invade the area, they will spare your house. And the second day, you will say, hey, now only God save me also. Psalm 23, it's because I read Psalm 23. That is why I was not attacked yesterday. Because how am I going to tell my neighbor that I put juju in my house? That is what is killing our people. Some people, they get protection. If they shoot them, it will never do them anything. They will not tell their neighbor. Yes. Torí ẹnu yín náà ni. Baba Akamo, I don't know, he's powerful. He taught me many things yesterday. I just tear it away like this. He didn't tear it too. He kept it too. But he will tell other people that when I went to his house, he gave me Bible to write some juju down. How can I do that? I'm a church goer na lie. And this power, they get power. If I get power. Bewúrẹ́ bá bojú ẹ̀yìn, á fèpè félépe. Bàgùtàn bá bojú ẹ̀yìn, á fèpè félépe. Mo sọ fún ẹ o, ọ̀tá mi dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn mi. Psalm kí nìyẹn? Psalm 1000 àbí Psalm 500. Bewúrẹ́ bá bojú ẹ̀yìn, á fèpè félépe. Bàgùtàn bá bojú ẹ̀yìn, á fèpè félépe. Mo sọ fún ẹ o, is Yorùbá sàn. Mọ̀ sí nú, mọ̀ sí kùn. Bàbá gbá ọmọ ìyá ẹyin lójú, ọmọ ọba kan ò ní bẹ̀rù ẹni. If we refuse to slap our immediate brother or sister, external people will not respect us. That's how Yoruba usually think. I just wonder, I keep wondering. Some people will come on here later. Èmi bàbá Ìgbòho ni mo dé yìí o. Àti Ìgbòho mo ti wá o. Ìlú Sunday Ìgbòho. Gbogbo yín líkì mọ́ yàrá báyìí. All of you are sitting down fẹ́ sọkọ ìyàwó yín. Nobody come outside again and say, yes, I'm from Ìgbòho. But when everything come down, because this thing will come down, Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́ á borí. Later, some people will come to Lagos, traditional medicine fair. Èmi bàbá Ìgbòho ni o, mo ti gbé dé o, oògùn pọ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn o, oògùn tó pọ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn rí gbé jáde báyìí. Ẹ gbé ta, ẹ má dá dé nìkan ṣoṣo, ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n gbòòrò yín lọ́tùn lósì. Yes. Ṣé mo parọ́ ni? Those people who are watching me, they will know what I'm saying. Many people will come out later. I'm from Ìgbòho. I come with my traditional medicine. Ẹ máa bọ̀ oògùn wà ń Ìgbòho. Oògùn tó wà ń Ìgbòho ẹ jẹ́ kó jáde báyìí. Sunday Ìgbòho nìkan là ń gbọ́ báyìí. Ẹ̀yin yòókù ẹ̀ náà bọ́ ìta báyìí. Ẹ̀yin ará Ṣẹ̀yìn, bàbá Oko Ṣẹ̀yìn, bàbá Àlọ́ra, bàbá Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, bàbá Èkìtì. Display your medicine. Let people see that you have power. Yes, let them see you have power. agbára ń bẹ a lè jà o òkìgbẹ́ ń bẹ a lè jà o ayẹta ń bẹ a lè jà o àti jíjò ń bẹ a lè jà o ègbé ńkọ́ a lè jà o kánákò ńkọ́ a lè jà o. One musician also sang a song. Ẹ má dènà dè wá o igbe ṣinṣin kì í dènà dọ̀wọ̀ ọwọ̀ bá bẹ́ ṣinṣin. Ẹ má dènà dè wá o igbe ẹranko kì í dènà dẹkùn ẹkùn bá bá ẹranko. Yes, people should not try to cross Yoruba. Yoruba get power. Yoruba get powers. Ogun Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà, ogun Mọdákẹ́kẹ́, ogun Kírìjí, ogun Ìjàyè. Yoruba know how they finish themselves, how they finish their opponents. But when you have power, you are dodging it because of religion. I get power, I'm dodging it because of my neighbor. If I tell my neighbor I get this power, that man get power, all people will run away from you. When are you going to do that for? For how long? Yes. If you have power, show it to people. Don't do wicked thing with it. Expose yourself. Expose yourself. Let people know that you have the power. Then when you have some secrets, how you can help the situation? Help your neighbor. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o, tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí o, I'm from a village o, I come from Akufo, I come from Akara local government. This is what we can get for ourselves. When you go to community, you tell them, ẹ bára ń sọ̀rọ̀ ní community meetings. Yes, kọ́mọ jẹ́ dáwédáwé nìkan, ẹ bára ń sọ̀rọ̀ tọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. I went to post office one day. I saw one boy. When I went there to collect my maize, he greeted me. I asked for his name. He said his name is Bogumbe. I said, Bogumbe, you are from Akufo. He said, yes. He said, how do I know? I said, Alagba Bogumbe. He said, man, during Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà days. The boy was looking at me. I said, Alagba Bogumbe. I know Alagba Bogumbe. You are from a Bogumbe family. I saw one boy. He's from this Badeku area. I asked him of one name. He said, how do you know that man? I said, don't worry. That I forgot that name. Next time when I remember, I will mention the name of it. When somebody called himself the head of Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà Tijora, I asked him many names about Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà people. He couldn't answer me. I asked him, do you know Baba Oladejo Siba? He was looking at me like this. Do you know Baba Bogumbe? He was looking at me because he was yet to be born. They never born him during Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà days. I asked him, do you know Oladejo Siba? Baba Oladejo Siba, did you know? Do you know Baba Bogumbe? I mentioned them different names. He was looking at me. How I come to know those people. Because he said he used to hear those names as well. Don't forget the program you are watching is Baba Oloyin Original Television. You can come to Baba Oloyin Original bus stop, Yesiota. You can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is the same phone number I'm calling. You will see it on this video. 0054749455. If you want to send message on WhatsApp from other countries, don't forget to put +234 then 8054749455. If you call me or WhatsApp me, I will tell you the address of my agents that you can see. I have a branch at Mushin, I have branch at Surulere, I have branch at Ikoto-Egbe. All those places. If you watch my past video, you will see the address. But if you can't hear it today, when you WhatsApp me, I I can still remind you of the address. Don't forget, you can buy my honey, you can buy my books. Then about these square eggs, I have to remind you again, the eggs you are going to use must be fresh. Must be fresh eggs and fertile eggs. When it is not fertile that male and female cross each other, the eggs cannot work for you. So the lifespan of the eggs must not be more than 10 days to make it effective. If it is after 10 days, you can only eat it. You can boil it to eat your rice or noodles. But for you to use it for medicinal purpose, no, it cannot work for you. And those of you that you are using it for fibroid, don't forget you have to break these eggs. You break the eggs first, you mix the honey with it. You mix thoroughly, very thoroughly, that you see that they are mixed together before you add the last ingredient. The last ingredient you will mix is in the book, Honey as a Medicine. Don't forget. The last thing, when you buy the book, Honey as a Medicine, what you will have to eat is in the book. You can use it when you are on period. Even it will work faster when you are on period, because it make your period to flow more than the normal days. Instead of normal 5 days, it can come for 10 days. Then that thing can flush away. It will be easy to flush away. Some people, when they use one bottle, they used to thank God. But when it is multiple fibroid, you can use more than 2 bottles before you get solution. Don't forget my phone number again, 0054749455. Then those of you that normally help me share, please help me share this program. Then if you have not subscribed, please help me subscribe to this program. Subscribe. That doesn't cost you extra charges. You will see subscribe button. Just press it. If you have subscribed before, you don't need again. Because if you have subscribed before, that thing will ask you cancel or unsubscribe. So you just leave it. When you have subscribed before, you don't need to press again. But if you have not subscribed, as you are watching this program, help me subscribe. Then share among friends and relatives. Àìtorí gbígbó pàjá o, àìtorí kíkàn pàgbò, àìtorí wèrèwèrè èbòbúkọ. Ètí mo wí yóò gbọdọ̀ mú mi o. Yes. When I talk about all shit that time, later I will still tell you how you can use ìgbẹ́ ewúrẹ́ ìgbẹ́ àgùntàn, goat shit and sheep shit. Ìgbẹ́ ewúrẹ́ ìgbẹ́ àgùntàn wọ́n ń lò fẹ́jọ́ ànírẹ́jọ́ o. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ á rẹ́jọ́, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ á rẹ́jọ́, àtẹ̀bí àtàrí. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ á rẹ́jọ́, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ á rẹ́jọ́, àtẹ̀bí àtàrí. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ á rẹ́jọ́. Ìgbẹ́ ewúrẹ́ ìgbẹ́ àgùntàn tí wọ́n bá fi kinní kan kún un kò sí nínú ìwé o. It's not in the book, because some people will be calling me, I want to buy the book where you talk of shit, goat shit and sheep shit. No, it's not in the book. If it will be in the book later, I will tell you. Every origin is not in the book, but if you need the secret, you call me secretly. I will charge you for that. Gbogbo àsọkọ́lá ń sá lóòrùn. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.